Are you tired of your Pinterest pins getting absolutely no traction? You put in the work, you create beautiful content, and then crickets. It feels like you're shouting into a void. Well, I am going to let you in on a little secret that can completely change that. Group boards. When you pin to a board with a bunch of active collaborators, your content gets seen by all of their followers too. It is a massive shortcut to real growth. And in this video, I am going to show you exactly how to find them.
So here is the simple game plan. First, we are going to search for your niche topic. Then we will learn how to spot a board that actually has multiple collaborators. And finally, I will show you how to join them and start getting that exposure. Let us jump into it. Start with the Pinterest app or the website open on your screen. It does not matter which one you use. The process is exactly the same. Now, move your mouse up to the search bar at the top of the page. Go ahead and click right into it. This is where you type a keyword that is directly related to your niche. Do not be too broad here. If you are a food blogger, do not just type food. Try something like keto dinner recipes or vegan desserts. The more specific you are, the better the results will be. Hit enter on your keyboard. Pinterest is going to give you a feed of pins, but we are not looking for pins right now. Look at the top of the search results. You should see a row of words. Click on the one that says boards. Now, you are looking at a list of boards related to your topic. Click on one that looks promising. Maybe it has a good name or a decent number of pins. Before you get excited, you need to review the board details. Take a look at the board name. Does it match your niche? Check the description, if there is one, and definitely look at the total pin count. A board with thousands of pins might be a good sign, but we need to dig deeper. Now, here is the really important part. You need to find the board members section. On a normal board, you will only see your own profile icon, but on a group board, you will see a row of little profile pictures. This is the telltale sign you are looking for. Look for multiple collaborators or member icons. If you see more than one or two faces in that row, you have found a group board. The more faces you see, the more active that board likely is. Scroll through the list of contributors. Some boards will show you a full list. Take a quick glance to see who is pinning. Are they real people with real accounts? Is there a mix of creators? This is a good way to confirm the board is not just a spammy dead zone. If everything looks good, it is time to take action. Look for the button that says follow or join. Some boards are open for anyone to follow and contribute. Others might require an invitation. If it lets you follow right away, go ahead and click it. If it asks you to message the owner, do not be shy. Send a polite note saying you would love to contribute. Do not stop with just one. Search for other topics within your niche to find even more boards. If you found keto dinner recipes, try searching for low-carb breakfast or healthy snacks. Every new search will reveal a fresh batch of group boards. And here is the secret to making this actually work. Once you have joined a few, verify the board activity. Look at the recent pins. Are people pinning daily? Is the last pin from 3 months ago? If it looks stale, move on. You want boards with recent, consistent activity. Now that you are in, start engaging with the board content. Do not just dump your links and run. Pin some of the other contributors' content. Leave a comment. Be a part of the community. The more you give, the more you will get back. Finally, monitor your performance. After a week or two, check your analytics. Are you getting more saves and clicks from those group boards? If a board is working, keep pinning to it. If it is not, swap it out for a different one. And that is how you go from getting zero traction to having your pins seen by thousands of new people. It takes a little bit of searching, but once you find those golden group boards, your Pinterest growth will never be the same. I will catch you in the next one.